Hello everyone, welcome to Bizistech YouTube official channel. This is Isra Kaval and today I am going to discuss with you how to fix stranded inventory. For this, first we need to know that what is stranded inventory. Stranded inventory is FBA inventory that is stored in Amazon warehouse but there is no active offer. Customer won't be able to purchase that inventory. That's called stranded inventory. So the problem with this is even if your inventory is inactive and not available for sale, Amazon will still continue to charge your monthly storage fees for that inventory. And if you do not regularly check to see if any stranded inventory issue have arisen, you could be responsible for a variety of expensive fees, including monthly inventory storage fees, FBA long-term fees, and FBA inventory storage fees. So now we will see why our inventory is stranded. Product listing issues, infringement concern or system error can also be result in stranded inventory. When you delete or close listing or change it from fulfilled by Amazon to fulfilled by merchant, it might be strand your inventory. Pricing error, restricted essence, suspended listing, bulk upload template error, missing listing in Amazon catalog are the reason of stranded your inventory. Or when you use someone else's brand name in your listing, Amazon will convert your listing in stranded inventory. So these are the reason through your inventory is going to be stranded. Now let's move to the Seller Central account. To fix stranded inventory on Amazon, you need to log in your Amazon Seller Central account. On Seller Central's homepage, hover your mouse to Inventory tab and then select Manage Inventory on the drop down. As you can see on this screenshot, as I have attached here, you can see the Manage All Inventory, and from this you can go FBA Inventory and then you will reach on Stranded Inventory page. In FBA Inventory, you can get the option of Stranded Inventory as mentioned in that screenshot. So from this Stranded Inventory tab, we can select two options. Either we can relist the closed listing which have some stock in Amazon warehouse, or we can appeal for the inventory that is Amazon warehouse and detail page is removed from Amazon and require some document against the listing. In that page, you can see the product name, FNSKU, your price, available stock, auto removal date of standard event. Amazon will give you the date that Amazon will remove your inventory from Amazon warehouse if you do not take action on that before date. So here is also give the standard reason and fulfill by channel also. And here I have two listing, that is one is Amazon suggested us to do appeal and one is relist the listing. Let's move to the next tab. Here is the option to relist the product. So let's fix these issues. In this page you can see the offer. You can simply add the offer information like price, etc. and just save and finish the tab and your product is automatically relist. You can also add the further information if Amazon indicated that, but it's not required. You can simply save and finish this tab and your product is automatically relist. Now we will fix these issues through by appeal as Amazon suggested us. For appeal, you need to go in account health and policy compliance, click on certain violation. After click on highlighted part, you will be reached on next tab, that is address your listing violation. Simply put the appeal in this section and submit this to Amazon and standard inventory issue will be resolved after appeal with Amazon. In the case if it not resolved, go to standard inventory page and refresh the inventory tab. It will automatically remove from this page if issue is resolved. And sometimes Amazon can lock its backend system. If this is in this case, you need to fix this issue by flat file. First download the flat file and then fix it. In addition, the flat file is used if there are number of standard listings to deal with. So here is some step through you can download the flat file. Simply go to bulk file standard inventory and click request download. It might take few minutes for to download to complete. When the report is ready, click bulk fix standard inventory above the page title and open your report in the bottom left corner of the page. Add any missing attributes such as price, SN, SKU and condition and simply upload this file. Your standard inventory issue will be resolved. If you are unable to solve standard inventory issue with flat file, then you have open case log with Amazon and tell them all the issues related to your inventory, then you are able to solve your problem with open case log with Amazon. Simply tell your condition to Amazon, and Amazon will resolve issues within 48 hours after open case with Amazon. So here are the some ways through you can solve your stranded inventory issues. Now we will see what Amazon will do if you don't fix your stranded inventory problems. Amazon no longer classifies stranded inventory as unsellable after 30 days. If you do not take action on stranded inventory within 30 days, Amazon will automatically remove the inventory from the warehouse. The default setting is to have Amazon dispose of your inventory. So here is the action that Amazon will take if you do not fix your stranded inventory. So you have to pay attention on your stranded inventory issues, and here are the ways through you can solve your stranded inventory issues. So in this video I have to tell that what is stranded inventory, why our inventory is stranded, and what are the ways to solve stranded inventory issue. Also I have tell that what Amazon will do if you do not take action on stranded inventory. I hope you will find this video helpful in finding stranded inventory issues. Please feel free to ask question or make suggestion below in comment section. You can get more information by like, share and subscribe Bizistech official channel. Thank you so much for your time. Have a good day. Thank you.